Gulf Coast seafood gumbo can be enjoyed year-round. There's two things you can do to make this dish over the top. Number one, we're going to make our own shrimp stock. And number two, we're going to find the best seafood we can find. Now to peel and devein our Gulf Coast shrimp, we're going to remove the shell. And we're actually going to pinch off the tail piece. It may look pretty, but it's not fun to eat while you're having your gumbo. We're going to save those shells for our stock. We're going to take a paring knife and we're going to come along the back to reveal the vein, if there is any. And we're going to put it in a bowl of ice water to knock that vein loose. And we'll place them aside in a bowl. Now to a hot stock pot, we're going to add our olive oil, about a tablespoon. And we'll add those shrimp shells from our Gulf shrimp, and we'll saute for about 1 minute. And then we'll add our water, which the recipe calls for 8 cups. Then we'll simmer for about 3 minutes and strain. Gulf Coast shrimp stock. Now that was easy. Now to our same stock pot, we're going to preheat medium-high. We're going to add our flour and oil, and we're going to stir constantly to make a roux. Now we're going to reduce our heat to medium-low and keep it moving because you don't want it to scorch or burn. Now don't skimp on this part. You need to keep it moving, but you won't scorch it for about 15 to 20 minutes because we're looking for that nice milk chocolate color in our roux. It's a great time to enjoy a glass of Cajun Sauvignon Blanc. As you can see, our roux is of the right color. So we'll add the bell peppers, the celery, the onions, and the andouille sausage. And we'll saute for 5 minutes. Next we'll add our shrimp stock to the pan. Next we'll add our Cajun Sauvignon Blanc wine, the Gourmet Garden squeezed garlic, the Gourmet Garden squeezed basil, thyme, you can use dry or fresh, and your favorite Cajun seasoning. And we'll bring it together with a whisk to break up any of those roux lumps. We'll cover and simmer for 30 minutes. I just love these Gourmet Garden squeezed herbs. They're all natural and organic and last for weeks in your refrigerator. You can find them in your local grocer's produce department next to the fresh herbs. Next we're going to add the Gulf shrimp and the Gulf oysters. And we'll simmer for about 20 minutes. Wow, it really smells good. Let's serve it up. We're going to serve this over rice. We'll garnish with some fresh parsley. Enjoy with a glass of the Cajun Sauvignon Blanc wine. This New Zealand Marlborough Sauvignon Blanc is my absolute favorite. You'll love the tropical fruit, citrus, and the fresh, crisp finish. Enjoy!